Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. To do this, press the Start button right here, then go to Power Options and select Restart or Update and Restart if you have some updates pending on your PC. Now if you cannot access this menu because your display is frozen, for example, then you can force restart your PC by pressing and holding the power key for a while until the light on your power button goes off. Once the light on your power goes off, that indicates that your laptop is turned off, and after that, simply press the power button once again and wait until your device switches on. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.